Alright, let's finish up this section of the course, our templateDetails.xml file. As you can see on the screen, the completed file. Let me just go line by line. The installed version, the name of the template, the version, whatever you want, the creation date, should be the date that you created the file, your name, and a description for the template. It can be anything you want, whatever gives your template enough description so that in the back end of your Joomla site, the description will make sense to you. The next section is all of the files that's used in this template. The CSS file, the logo.png, index.html, PHP, this file, of course, template thumbnail.png, and the favicon, which we haven't done yet, but it's really simple. Close out that files statement. Don't need that space there. And then all the positions that your template is going to use. Now the great thing about Joomla 1.5 is that you don't have to define them all here, because you can just create new positions as you need them. However, the positions that your template is going to start out with really should be listed here. Now this is a pretty simple templateDetails.xml file. Let's take a look at the bees template file. Same kind of thing here. Name, creation date, author information. Again, you can see some of the parameters that they're using. Copyright information, licensing, all of the files that they're using. Of course, there's a ton there because they've got a lot of template overrides, which we'll talk about in a later session. Language files that they're using for this template, and any position files. So again, a pretty detailed XML file, because this is a pretty detailed template. Let's take a look at another sophisticated template. This is JB Elevate 2 from Joomla Bamboo. You can see just a ton of file names here. Lots of template overrides and images, positions, and a ton of parameters here. Suffice it to say, we're keeping it pretty simple at this point. The complete XML file is listed below as a link. Our code citation plugin doesn't like some of the parameter settings in a XML file, so you'll just have to download it, but it's a plain text file when you do. Alright, that's the end of section 3. By now, you have a completed template, and that's really all you need to know. Well, it really isn't. In section 4, we're going to talk about slicing and dicing a PSD file so that you can get some images that you need for your template. In section 5, we're going to look at some advanced parameters and some advanced template design settings. And then in section 6, we're going to do it all over again with the red tie template.